Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's OpenONU Go call. Thanks for joining. As usual, the call is publicly recorded, so please be mindful of the comments you make and information you share. It will be live on YouTube. So a little bit of a first topic that I wanted to discuss with everybody is the fact that we did discuss moving the meeting every 2 weeks instead of every week. But I don't recall if we reached a conclusion on it. So I'm opening up the debate here to see if we should do it every 2 weeks or we should keep it every week.
On need basis, is that choice that we can have? I mean, generally we're not discussing any new feature development. It's just mostly bug fixes, except the new extended OMCI message format that Holger introduced. But if it's mostly bug fixes that we are doing, then probably we could have on a need basis.
Mm-hmm.
Well, two weeks is also okay. I mean, it's until end of June. Most likely we'll have this call, and probably 1 or 2 months beyond that. But a need basis is also in that choice.
I think every 2 weeks is fine for now. But Holger, Torsten, Niels?
Yeah, I would also believe 2 weeks would be a better schedule if it's on the need basis. I'm not sure we could later move to that mode, but perhaps move to 2 weeks first and then.
Yes, I would also favor a fixed 2 weeks approach, not on demand base.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps okay. I think at the beginning we had this 2 weeks approach. It was also working, and even we have your contact in Slack. We can contact you in Slack and so on.
Yep. Yeah, okay.
Would be okay. Mm-hmm.
I'll make the changes.
I agree too.
Okay.
Andrea, have you heard from Chip? If he's still in the game of?
I honestly have no idea. That's a good point. Let me take an action item on pinging Chip. How is it doing?
Actually, I will ping him tomorrow, probably tomorrow, because I have a question regarding OMCI Pro.
Uh-huh.
It's just actually when if you have seen that I already submitted these Garrett changes for the web upload in extended message format, and there's one thing I have to clarify with him.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
So I can tell you if he's still answering.
Okay, yeah, I will ping him nonetheless. I think it's good to keep tabs on people that we care about. Okay, so next topic is the memory leak. So this, the pending ad, should be fixed by my image that's going to be released today, hopefully, if everything goes right. So we should take an action item to make sure it's fixed by this. This is still pending. We have had no update for now, and we have not extended the test. So that is the update I have on this one, unless somebody else has anything to update. No? Okay. Then I believe you, Olger, have actually an update on the extended OMCI message format. I saw some things going around in Gerrit.
Yeah, I submitted changes for the BBSIM and as well as for the ONU adapter regarding extended message handling for MIP upload. For the BBSIM, I think it is completed. This would be a precondition for the patch in the ONU adapter. And but regarding ONU adapter, it looks also fine, except when I insert unknown ME to the MIP upload in extended format in the additional packages, then I do not get the full attribute I have inserted, and this is the point I have to clarify with SHIP. But nevertheless, all the other stuff is working fine. I have compared the MIP templates uploaded with the baseline format as well as the one with the extended format, and they are looking similar, except of the unknown attribute ME, which I have mentioned before. And this would be a big increase in speed, and also the number of upload messages has decreased from 292 to 4 messages. That means all the stuff which were uploaded in these 294 messages before will now be uploaded in only four long messages. So actually, for an ONU which supports this extended message format, MIP templating would not be necessary anymore. But I think it has also other advantages for. We already discussed that we have a predefined MIP template for a certain type, and also for ONUs which are not supporting the extended message format and only the baseline one. This MIP templating is very useful. Yeah, that's what I would finish this, and the next step I think would be one of the other areas supporting the extended message format as described in our EPIC. As you have seen, I have already defined several tasks for this. What is outstanding?
Yeah. So the action item here is that you're going to check with Chip and see what it's needed to change. What needs to be changed is most likely a bug in OMCI Let Go to make sure that the message is extended, and then you're gonna upload either a path. You're gonna like some changes need to happen in the OMCI Let Go, then needs to be ported in the OpenONU adapter, and then we can merge both of these. Is there any?
What I would recommend, I think the BBSIM patch could already be merged.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Mm-hmm. But the ONU adapter patch is still a WIP, work in progress, and as long as it is still in work in progress, it should not be merged.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll take an action item on myself to review the BBSIM patch, and I'm sure also Theo will take a look as soon as he can, and we can merge it if it looks good. I think it does. If it passes the test, it should be no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome, good. There was discussion for the test in Robo for the MIB upload and the speed test. Is there any update on that?
No, from my side, not, but Holger and me discussing about this, but we will do if Holger finished his work.
Okay.
Actually, one of the test cases makes only sense for the baseline support, because there's one test case Thorsten implemented that he's bringing up two ONUs. The first one comes up without the MIB template, the second one with a MIB template, and he expects that the second one is much faster because the whole MIB upload cycle will be skipped for this ONU. But with the extended message format, there's actually no significant difference between the startup time of the ONU starting with or without the MIB template. So I would propose that we switch the whole system to the baseline format when we execute this test case. But actually, for this switching stuff, there's also is a feature outstanding. We have to I have to implement, and then actually you can switch back to the baseline format, and this test case would run again. Currently, it is so that the BBSIM is reporting that it is already supporting extended message service, but it was not. But it has to be. We need the extension in the BBSIM that we can switch the BBSIM either to support baseline format of OMSI or extended message service. So that's also one of the features. No? So there's some work needed here in this area. I've already defined the story, but I don't know the number yet.
Okay. Okay. The PM test, this Girish has been done, right?
Yes, that's done.
Okay, perfect. These reconcile issues, we did backport the patch, and I expect that this is done as well.
There was one test that was failing, I think, and then we said we would monitor to see if after the backport of the panic fix was done.
That's what I'm saying. I don't see any still issue.
Yeah, then we can close this.
Okay. So this Unitag, I don't see the issue with the patch that I've been that I submitted with ONOS, that it's yet to be released. It's going to be released today, hopefully. So I think we can. I monitored. I actually did include the patch in the test, and it looks good. So I think this can be actually closed. And then we can see if it comes up again. I need to take out the image. Let me take an action item on myself to do that, actually. Otherwise, I forget. Okay.
Last night, there were some issues with ONU's data in this test suite. Maybe you saw it. It's different than this one, but it happens only once, and so I will see if it repeated If not, okay.
No, I did this. I just ignored this as like a complete failure of the whole test.
No, not the whole test. Some run successfully.
So it is true that with my fix, there is a very small chance that we could still encounter this issue, because what I did was putting the cleanup of the ports in a thread that runs periodically to make sure the state is the correct one. And if it hits at the right time, this thread runs every minute, and if the test starts exactly at that minute, we could see this issue. So it might be that. I'll have to look into this one again. So I think the fix is still valid because it did verify it for many of most of the test cases here, which is good. I'll take a look at this one myself in these upcoming days. Okay. Okay, Thorsten, do you want to give us some overview of this one in particular?
I don't want to go into the detail. The prototype was uploaded last week with the patch I linked here. It should change the text is uploaded. Oh, I forgot it. And the patch shows that it can work, but there are still some limits because of not implemented API requests, and furthermore, it's so that we have currently with the CLI the possibility to use one-liner with grep and other things, or WC to count the lines. And with the REST API, it has to be done all the things in the robot framework. It's a little bit more complex, but it's possible. And that was the reason for the prototype, to show that it works and to show the limits. Yes, and the next step would be in this case to write a paper where this experiences or write down.
Yep. Again, not very high priority, but I think useful for anybody that wants to take a look at what the next steps in this direction are. So whenever you have some time, Thorsten, it's appreciated that you put this together.
I do it only in background, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I would say so, indeed. So
the following point are some reminder for me to talk about all the things. Don't forget anything. So the first is hanging resources in owners. We have sporadically, there's a Jira, and it's in progress by you, Andrea. I don't know, when is sprint number 7?
So supposedly is next week, next Tuesday. The idea is that this should be fixed with my image that is merged today. So I would say let's check again after today when we merge this image, and we can then verify if it's something that still appears or not. Okay,
I keep an eye on it. Yeah, pending floats, you already said it will be solved by your new image. We will check it the next few runs. the AAA user, you already talked that no progress is by Theo, but
No.
he has also sprint number 7 assigned.
Yeah, well, it's really, I don't know if he's gonna make it in this sprint, but it's something that he will take a look at. It's just when it's the not so clear thing.
Okay. And the next one is an issue reported in Slack by Holger, and Girish said he will care. We have it.
Take a look. It's on my to-do list, but definitely take a look. And if a fix it's be done, I'll fix it.
You will fix it soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So you will see, and the last one was a Jira BBSim fails to restart. It came from the memory leak with the iterations. He saw their failure restart. He tried to correct it until sprint number 6, but I think there is nothing happened till now. So maybe you can ping Theo once again to ask.
Yes.
And I would keep all the points here, Andrea, for the next meeting, and then we
Yes.
can, if they're all solved, then we can remove them.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I think that's the right thing to go. It's the right way to go. Okay. So that was all I had on the agenda for today. I will actually reschedule the meetings accordingly. So the next meeting is going to be in 2 weeks from now. So that was my last topic. Any other topic that you guys want to bring up?
Yeah, by the way, Chip joined, but it is too noisy in his house because he get a new fireplace, but I already contacted him.
Yeah, I'm here, but I'm on a backup UPS right now because they had to shut the power off, so I might disappear real quick.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
Okay. Well,
Chip, I will contact you on Slack, right?
Okay, yeah, that'd be great, and I'll probably be back live in about 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Chip. And in the other case, we can discuss it next week or in 2 weeks from now.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Right.
Bye, everyone.